Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm really excited to show you how to make my new recipe for yellow curry potato salad. And best of all, I'm using my favorite pre-made yellow curry sauce from Blue Elephant that you can find in your local grocery store. So I've got all of my other ingredients. Let's get started. Potato salad in the summer is such a classic staple, and I figured out how to give it an authentic Thai twist using yellow curry sauce from Blue Elephant. So let me give you a little overhead view of all of my ingredients. So of course I have the delicious and creamy yellow curry sauce, some salt and pepper, some lime zest, big bowl of warm potatoes. You can't have potato salad without potatoes. A red pepper, an orange pepper, and red onion that I've lightly sauteed, some delicious and fragrant toasted coconut, some chives, fresh basil, and lime wedges. So this really does embody a beautiful Thai dish that you can serve warm, room temperature, or even cold. And it really is the base of this gorgeous yellow curry sauce. So what I have here is warm potatoes, about 3 pounds, that I've boiled and steamed until they're nice and tender. All of these measurements are at marcsievers.com, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I'm gonna add my salt and pepper and lime zest. So what I love is that this entire recipe comes together using grocery store ingredients. But this really has so much flavor and lots of great texture and lots of great fragrance. So my potatoes are warm. I like to do this when the potatoes are warm because it absorbs the curry sauce, and that's really important. So now I'm gonna spoon this into my big serving bowl, just like that. And now all of the other delicious ingredients. So I have my sauteed peppers and onions. Those go right on top. Look how beautiful those are. I'm gonna do my toasted coconut right on top of that. This coconut really does give such another layer of texture and flavor, and I just love it. That looks perfect. Then, gorgeous chives, lots of chives. I like to do this kind of as a layered potato salad rather than tossed. I think it makes a much prettier presentation tableside. I mean, look how gorgeous and earthy this is. I love it. And then my basil, and then my lime wedges. So this is kind of a new take, a fresh take on potato salad. And like I said, you can serve it warm, room temperature. You can serve it hot as a main dish. And what I love the most is it all comes together because of a store-bought yellow curry sauce from Blue Elephant. All of the ingredients are available at your local grocery store. So I wish you a very happy summer of Thai flavors. So look how delicious this looks. So I'm gonna do some big squeeze of fresh lime juice, and I think I need to take a little taste. Let's see. It's so creamy. And you get all of that gorgeous, authentic Thai flavor. It's not too spicy. And this really does give potato salad a new rep. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, head over to marcsievers.com for the full written recipe for my yellow curry potato salad featuring Blue Elephant yellow curry sauce. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh yeah, this is a really good bite. You guys are gonna love this. Bye.